In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark FVG or fair value gaps on TradingView. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. Of course, the first way would be to manually marking it. However, this is a bit more complex, and of course, it's going to take you quite a bit of time to do this. However, you could just use a simple method, which is the built-in indicators, which is basically automated, okay? So you can do this on any chart you want. You want to go to indicators up top, and in here, you want to type in fair value gaps. Okay, now whenever you do this, you'll see, there we go, you have like a bunch of different ones over here which you can use. You could do fair value gaps or a gap. It's going to give you similar results. And then here you have a bunch of different ones. You have this basic one, you have this by Lux Algo over here, and some of course are going to be more popular, and some of these are going to be a little less popular. So you could just go ahead and basically select any of these to see them. For example, I'm going to use this one by Lux Algo right now, and as you can see, there we go, it's going to pop up on my chart over here. Now I'm going to add another one over here as well. As you can see, it's going to get added on here, and it's quite similar. As you can see, there we go. And yeah, you can just test these and see which one suits you the best. But of course, there's a bunch of different ones. Just test through and you'll see what happens on your chart, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.